So today we're looking at the request function in Horizon, and at the moment, which is March 2020, we can't use the request function within the desktop client. It has something to do with ports and IT stuff that I really don't get, but with all the upgrades that are going on, it doesn't work within this screen anymore. So there is a workaround, but you have to make sure that your patron is in our database. So we'll pick a patron, and I'm going to go with me. So F4, hopefully it'll come up. There we go. We'll look for me. And here I am. Okay, so we're in the patron database now. Make sure that there is a pin attached to that record. So we're going to go F6, or we could actually go to borrower. See, we got to edit F6, and make sure that there's a pin in this area right here. So in my case, I'm just using 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to want to copy the student's or the staff barcode. We're going to go to the online catalog. So it's a good opportunity to show staff and students too how to do a request function on their own. So we're going to go over to our online catalog. We're going to log in, put in the student number, which in my case is this one, and PIN, 1, 2, 3, 4, and log in. Oh, and I have a nice clear account today. So then once you're logged in, you can do the search for the book that you want. I'm going to go for Inquiry Illuminated and see if that gives us anything. Oh, look at that. It's a beautiful book. It's checked out, and if it's not checked out, you can't put a request on it. So it has to be checked out. So we'll go to Request Item. It's a little bit off my screen, but I think you will be able to see it. Request that item, and because I'm already logged in, it should come up fairly quickly. So I'm number 1 in the queue. It's going to be, my pickup is at Riverside, so that's my school. You can change that to whatever one you want, and your request will be active until, in this case, September. So then request it. And you can either log out at this point or return to searching. And that's it. When you go over to or back to your client, let's clear this, get me back in again. So within the client now, you'll see that those requests have been entered. I wish this wasn't the way we had to do it, but for now, this is our workaround. So the next part of a request function is when the book actually comes back in. So I'm going to check that book in that I put on request. And you will get a notice that the item is on hold, who it's for, and from there you can print the hold slip if you have convenient access to a printer, and then OK. And we'll close. We'll see that he's a little delinquent. I'll have to talk to him about that. But now that item is checked in, the item is being held, and you can put it on your hold shelf, contact the next person on the list who wants that item. And that's the request function.